Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to install the viral game Among Us. So, a lot of people like Among Us and play it, but most of them play it on phone because if you want to install it on the PC, it's paid. You gotta pay for it. But now I'm going to show you a way to install it on PC for free. So first, you search Among Us BlueStacks and click on the first link. Now you click on the green button. I already installed it, so I'm gonna just open it. But if you didn't download it yet, just click download Among Us, because I don't wanna waste your time. So so if you installed it already, just search up BlueStacks here and open. If you didn't download BlueStacks and are just downloading it now, it'll take around 5 to 6 minutes for this to come up. Okay, so now I'll just install this to show how to install Among Us. Okay, so now you're on the home page. Go to My Games here. Go to Google Play. You will be asked to log into your account, but I'm already logged in, so it's okay. So first, search up Among Us. So basically, BlueStacks is an emulator and lets you play games that you normally play on your phone on your PC. So that's why you can get Among Us for free. So you click install just like you may do on your phone and you wait for some time. Okay, it's installed, so you click open and then it'll take a while for it to open now. Here's just a tutorial for how to use the different controls. Now you just wait for it to load. See, it loaded. Click I understand, and now you can play Among Us. So these things will tell you how to control your figure when you play. So the joystick will be here, so you click W to go up, D and S and A to go in those directions. Space is for doing a task or to sabotage. Space is to kill. No, space is to do tasks. Q is to kill someone if you're an imposter. And E is to sabotage a job or task. B is to open chat. So that's how you install Among Us for free on PC. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it helpful. And if you did, please share this with any of your friends or family. Please subscribe to my channel and be sure to like this video and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out my next video on strategies in Among Us and the tutorial. Thanks for watching and bye bye.